this group is typically for the Kolkata-based entrepreneurs and the professionals. We are going to have, say, 1 or 2 meetings in every quarters, and then the social networking will be there. Like we have got a G Plus presence, Google Plus presence, where you can actually come and connect. You can share your ideas. If you have any queries, if you have any business-related queries, you can simply ask, and we'll have a panel to reply. The vision is to create one of the most active GVGs. I mean, because as I was just showing you the global footprint of the GVGs, so certainly, I mean, we want to leave our mark as a GVG. That why we need a community and how it can transform the way we think. I'll just take you to an unconventional slide. This is the Google Edge philosophy. Now, how Google thinks. First, let us understand how Google thinks. That give the people control. Don't restrict them. Give the people control. This is the first philosophy that Google applies whenever they think of any product.
Now, in today's world of IT-enabled services and IT as a tool, why am I here talking about people, right? The issue is, it doesn't matter what the work is. Well, you can be part of media, doing films, you can be, on the web, doing the next 2.0. The issue is, it's the people who drive it. And what I am here going to discuss with you is how we can use the people within as a source of your business strategy itself. And one of the reasons I'm here is that what I'm going to take you through has got no aspect of size. It's completely agnostic to industry, which industry you are in and how many people there are. These are some of the things that I've listed, and people who have, I don't know whether that's clear enough for people at the back, but nevertheless, some of the things like lack of excitement to work from the employee side, lack of empowerment, thing being too bureaucratic. On the other side, from the employer's end, you have issues of idle time and therefore lead to productivity. Now, if you actually think of it, these aspects have got nothing to do with whether you are a huge Google or you are a 5-member company on Elgin Road. It doesn't. It actually involves people, and you are talking about a certain language, which is productivity and motivation.
We're going to talk about marketing today. So, in everyday's life, everywhere, we talk about marketing plans, media plans. So, something I'll tell you about marketing, media planning is the marketing philosophy. To start with, marketing philosophy is something which I always believe that when the business is going good, you need to invest in advertising. But whenever the environments of the business becomes down, like it is going now, usually the advertisement budgets get cut short. But ideally, this is a perfect time to invest, because the reverse is going to happen, the business curve is going to go up, and if you invest now, as soon as it comes up, you'll be in the right position, the market will be ready for you. Okay, let me tell about the marketing, like media. It's all about audience. Who is your audience? Audience has to be segregated. It has to be a target audience. Like for example, when you buy something, when a purchase happens, who are the stakeholders? That's very important.
This was an area, event management was an area where I felt that we could do different things for different clients all the time, and there would be a different challenge every time. So this is how we started. We started with event management, then we diversified into advertisement designing. Then now we are doing digital marketing also. we are doing sales promotions, we are doing every aspect, 360-degree aspect of marketing. Yeah, I started Ideas first at an initial saving of rupees 30,000, and I was the only employee who was working in the company, and I was supposed to collect the checks also from the clients and meet them, do the meetings also and everything. In 2003, there were two types of companies in event management space. One was very large, like Lentas and other companies, and the other sector was very small, who would not deliver as per your expectations. So we tried to be in between, where we are smaller, we are still affordable, and we do also deliver on the expectations of small and medium clients as well as large clients also.
Okay, so we are almost on the close of the session for today, and I hope that this team, I must say that this is a team, this small family that we have gathered today, and it continues, and we should meet again, and this is like on 23rd of November, we have our second meet, Google meet, which we are planning out here.